Hello everyone, welcome to Apti Plus Academy for Civil Services, and I welcome you all to the learning series via News in Focus. Today's topic of discussion is RAM program, which is related to MSME. We'll see the detail about the RAM program and why we are discussing this news because three important sub scheme has been added to the RAM program. So we'll see the detail. This is going to be relevant for both prelims and mains examination. In prelims, there can be a direct question. In mains, there can be a fodder points that you can use in General Studies paper 3. So let's get started and know about the RAM program. So RAM stand for the Raising and Accelerating the Micro, Small and Medium Enterprises Performances. So recently, Micro, Small and Medium Enterprises, the Union Ministry for the Micro, Small and Medium Enterprises, they have launched three sub schemes. So this three sub schemes are under the aegis of RAM scheme, which is Raising and Accelerating the Micro, Small and Medium Enterprises Performances. So which is all those three schemes? We'll see the detail to that. So the first important scheme is MSME Green Investment and Financing for Transformational Scheme. Second is MSME Scheme for Promotion, Investment and Circular Economy, known as MSME SPICE scheme. Then we have third MSME on the Online Dispute Resolution and Delayed Payment. तो ये तीन broad sub schemes हैं जिनको इस scheme के साथ merge किया गया है. First is Green Investment and Financing. So the name itself is clear that this is related to finance and it aims to help the MSME to adopt with the green technology. Green technology, why? Because it should aim for the sustainability and even call for the interest subvention and credit guaranteed support. So this is one important sub scheme. The second important sub scheme call for the promotion of circular economy, which is known as MSME SPICE scheme. It aims to support the circular economic project like credit subsidies, right? And even to realize the dream of MSME sector with zero emissions by 2070. इंडिया ने नेट जीरो एमिशंस की टारगेट रखी है 2070 के लिए. Many other countries like United States for 2050 and China for 2060, right? So we are also achieving the target by 2070 where all important other sector will be contributing to a larger extent. One of them is the MSME. Now the third is the mechanism for online dispute resolutions for delayed payment. So it aims to synchronize the legal support where the modern IT and artificial intelligence. We have seen the incorporation of IT in different domains of the government sector. So MSME में भी AI की use की जाएगी to address the incidents and delayed payment of the micro, small and medium enterprises, which is again the crores of rupees which is being transit from one entity to other will also call for the resolutions at the earliest. So this is how the three important sub schemes has been there in the scheme. Now बात करेगा ramp schemes की. Ramp is like raising and accelerating the micro, small and medium enterprises performance is assisted by World Bank. So this is again important. There can be options confusing you about the Asian Development Bank, IMF. So the correct answer is World Bank. Make sure you take a note of this. One day examinations के लिए इस तरह के point काफी relevant है. It aims to improve the performance of micro, small and medium enterprises in the country. And this ramp scheme was actually launched in 2022. Now I'll tell you the objective of this particular scheme, the ramp scheme, why it was there by the government of India. क्या aim है इसकी, क्या objective है? First, its aim is to improve the access to market and credit to the MSME, right? So this is the first and the foremost objective. Second is to strengthen the institution and governance. The overall MSME जो है उसको किस तरह से उसके गवर्नेंस को इम्प्रूव की जाए, उसके ओवरऑल इंस्टीट्यूशनल लेवल को कैसे इम्प्रूव की जाए, ये ऑब्जेक्टिव है. Enhance the center state linkages and partnership. See, many things that is operating is under the state government ambit. और बहुत सारी ऐसी चीजें हैं जो सेंटर के जुरिस्डिक्शन में है. तो यहाँ पे सेंटर और स्टेट के बीच में कोऑर्डिनेशन होना बहुत ज़्यादा ज़रूरी है to ensure that the sector is actually performing well. Addressing the delayed payment and promoting the greening of MSME. This was actually addressed with all the three sub schemes that has been recently included in the ramp scheme. So this was all about for the given topic. I hope you like this video. We'll be coming up with some of the more informative topics for the relevant examination. For time being, I'm signing off. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you for staying connected.